Hi everyone. This is what we have been trying to grow for a very long time. This is a tuber and it's a Irish potato. And you put it down for it to chit or produce eyes for it to grow. But we haven't been getting any luck with this. So we're going to try something different today. Hi, my name is Soroya. Welcome back to Blessings from the Garden. It has been a long while, I know, but we're back to work full time. We're educators. So actually, I was doing some work in the garden and I decided to do something different instead of planting out this again because we have gotten so many failures. We're going to do something different. Now, this little packet contains some seeds. These are called true seed potatoes. True seed potato, or true potato seeds. But what is that? I'm sure you have watched some YouTube videos and you have seen on the tomato vine something like some little tomatoes on it. Not on the tomato vines, on the potato vines, some little round stuff, green stuff, looking like tomatoes. Actually, those two things contain the seeds. So I'm going to open this packet. Hasn't been opened yet. And let's see how they are looking. And this brand is the Clancy potato. And will be a red tuber. All right, so let's pull. Oh, they're very white. And it's almost looking like some tomato seeds, but not that flat like the tomato seeds. Our farmers will not take this route because normally Irish potatoes take about 3 months to produce their tubers. But doing this method will be 5 months, I think, or even more. And also planting out the seeds. Since this is Clancy potato seeds, you might not get the same product. It might vary, the product might vary, or even vary in size and in taste or in texture. So, but we're going to try. This is an experiment for us. So 25 seeds, they said, came in the packet. We're going to try 6 and then see how that goes. And then we keep you updated for sure. So let's go plant out some seeds. Just inserting some holes. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we'll treat this as how tomatoes are grown. So once they come up, we're going to give it a couple of weeks to get established with a lot of roots, and then we transplant them in bags, grow bags or containers, and then we take it from there. So instead of using this, we're using this. Let's see if we will be successful in this one. Okay guys, thank you for joining us today. Thank you for our loyal subscribers. Keep on supporting us by watching our videos, commenting, subscribing and sharing. We will see you pretty soon, probably a week's time for sure. And do have yourself a wonderful afternoon. Thank you. Bye-bye. And do remember, start that garden one container at a time. I'm going back to work now to trim up some plants. I have to wear a long sleeve because they're very itchy. Bye.